Hey everyone, Miss Kay here, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make a bar graph in Google Sheets. Bar graphs are used to display and compare data in a number of categories. And I thought the best way to show you this was some data I collected the other night when I was looking at Odin's bag of M&Ms. So I was curious to know what category of color had the most M&Ms in the bag and which had the least. So I have that data now, and I'm going to create a data table, and we're going to make a bar graph from it to see visually how those numbers compare. First thing I want to do is start with my x-axis, and that's the horizontal line in your graph. And my x-axis is the category, and I told you earlier that the category was color of M&Ms, so I'm going to label it color of M&M, and then I'm just going to list those colors. So blue, green, red, yellow, orange, and brown. Now the thing I measure, it'll be in the y-axis, and I want to give my y-axis a title too. So I'm just going to call it the number of each color. Okay, so I'm just going to list those numbers: 17 blue, 15 green, 10 red, 5 yellow, 9 orange, and 2 brown. Now that I've got my table complete, something that I like to do to just make it a little fancier is to highlight it and then go to the borders option on your toolbar. Go ahead and click it, and you'll notice that there's an option for all borders. It's the first one you see. Go ahead and click that. It just keeps your data in a really nice area. It's defined so you can tell where it starts and stops. And then after you do that, go ahead and highlight it again and go to the Insert Chart option. Google Sheets is pretty smart and can tell based on the data what kind of graph you need. So this should pop up as a bar graph. I'm going to click it, and there it went. So you can see here I've got my bar graph. My x-axis is my colors again. My y-axis is the number of each color. And just looking at the graph, I don't even have to know what those numbers are. I can tell that the color that had the most in the bag is the blue, because it's the tallest bar, and the one that had the least amount in the bag is brown because it has the smallest bar. Pretty easy to read a bar graph, don't you think? Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I can't wait to show you how to make a line graph in the next one. Happy science! Bye!